Inflation, war, economic uncertainty. In 2025, investors are asking, where is the safest place to park your money? Gold, silver, or crypto? Today, we're breaking down which of these assets truly protects wealth and which ones could leave you exposed. Inflation is cooling in some countries, but remains sticky in others. Food and energy costs still bite. Global debt is ballooning. Central banks are walking a tightrope between tightening and avoiding recession. Geopolitical conflicts, from Ukraine to Taiwan, continue to make markets jittery. So the question is, where do you find stability in all this chaos? Gold has a 5,000-year history of storing value. In 2024, it surged to over $20,400 an ounce. Central banks, especially in China, Russia, and BRICS nations, have been increasing gold reserves. It's not just a hedge against inflation, it's a hedge against systemic risk. But gold has limitations. It doesn't produce income, and in deflationary periods, it can stagnate. Still, for many, gold remains the ultimate financial insurance. Silver isn't just a monetary metal, it's industrial too, used in EVs, solar panels, and electronics. Historically, silver lags behind gold, but when it moves, it often outpaces gold in returns. In 2025, demand is rising due to clean energy transitions, but silver is much more volatile. It can fall sharply in recessions and corrections, ideal for those who want upside but can handle swings. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies represent a break from traditional finance. Bitcoin's capped supply, decentralization, and resistance to inflation have attracted both retail and institutional investors. In 2024, Bitcoin ETFs were approved, accelerating mainstream adoption. But crypto is not without risk. Regulatory uncertainty, extreme volatility, and lack of historical depth. It's a hedge against fiat currency debasement, but it requires conviction and strong risk tolerance. Gold gives you stability and trust. Silver offers a mix of monetary and industrial exposure. Crypto brings innovation and high potential return with equally high risk. In truth, no single asset is perfect, but together they offer a more complete hedge. In 2025, the best defense might be diversification. So, what's your hedge in 2025? Is it timeless gold, dynamic silver, or the bold bet on crypto? The answer depends on your risk tolerance and your outlook. Just remember, staying informed is the best investment you can make.